Quiz: Amazing Animal Facts. Which bird produces a milk-like substance to feed its babies? Hen, pigeon, eagle. Pigeon. The pigeon produces a substance called crop milk. It is not true milk like mammals produce, but a nutrient-rich secretion from the crop that both parents feed to their. Which animal can sleep for up to 18 to 20 hours a day? Dog, bat, a horse. Bat. Many species of bats sleep for very long periods, sometimes up to 20 hours a day. They are nocturnal animals, so they rest during the day and are active at night. Which animal is born with horn-like structures already present on its head? Goat, cow, giraffe. Comment your answer.